In a previous video, I showed you how to connect your Roblox account to Metal using a PC. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Roblox account to Metal directly from your mobile device. A lot of users are still confused about how to link Roblox with Metal on mobile, since the process is a little different compared to doing it on a laptop or desktop computer. So let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to install the Metal app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll be asked to sign in. Since we're connecting a Roblox account, tap Continue with Roblox. If you don't see that option right away, tap See More to view all available sign-in methods. After selecting Continue with Roblox, you'll be redirected to the Roblox login page. Go ahead and sign into your Roblox account. If you see a warning message like this, it means that your Roblox account isn't eligible to use Metal. In most cases, that's because the account owner is under 13 years old. So, I'll switch to a different account instead. As you can see, Metal can now be connected to Roblox successfully. You'll also be able to review what information and permissions Metal can access from your Roblox account. Scroll down, then select the profile you want to connect. After that, tap Continue. Wait a moment, then tap Confirm and give access. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Roblox account to Metal using your mobile device. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials.